Welcome back. This is Johnny Clouds here at A1A Vapors, and today we're going to talk about another salt nic device made by Ovns, and this is the JCO1. Like that, right there. The JCO1 measures 66.5 millimeters tall, 8 millimeters wide, and 40 millimeters in length. This has 3 battery indicator lights located here. Alright, and it is USB charged right there. The pod that comes with it is a 0.7 ml pod. Now there's 2 styles, there's a ceramic and organic cotton one. So let's just take a rip on this real quick and see how she performs. Not bad. Also, what's great about the JCO1 is it's very small, like that, and comparatively speaking, this is like, here's a pen, so you can see how small it really is. It is tiny. Another benefit of the JCO1 pods is they are refillable, and I will show you how to refill them. And this is how you do it. You take the pod like this, you pull the top off like so, and then you take this little rubber gasket out right there, and just pull this off. Don't lose that. And today we're going to put in some Salt Bay Georgia Peach in here. Now these things are very easy to fill. You just literally just go like so. Oop. And you just fill it up like this, and I always suggest once you fill it, make sure the rubber gasket is nice and snug, and let it sit for a couple of minutes to make sure that it is completely saturated before you vape on it. So we're gonna let this guy sit right here. So some of the other colors that the JCO1 comes in is there's 2 finishes. There is like a mirrored metallic finish, and there's a rubberized finish which has a nice little grip to it. So here's some of the colors. Here's red, and this one has the rubberized finish, and we got baby blue like so, and white, and this is also the rubberized finish too. Alright, now for some of the mirrored finishes, this is like a purple to blue fade metallic finish. It's really shiny, and it could be, you know, a fingerprint magnet, but it looks really clean. Now this is like a black gunmetal shiny, yeah, just it looks real clean. And of course you gotta have rose gold, and there you go. And of course I'm rocking the metallic blue. You can see I got some fingerprints on there. But one of the other benefits of the JCO1 is it is compatible with many different types of pods, like the zip pods, which are 1 ml pods, the C100 pods. These are also 1 ml pods. A new company called Zalt, and these are 1 ml pods also, with a whole bunch of flavors. And here's another box of zip pods. This is the cappuccino flavor, which I'm a big fan of. And last but not least, it is compatible with the Juul pods. And so I'm gonna show you all the pod performances out of each pod with this device. You'll see when you vape on it, the light will indicate that it's vaping, and then the battery indicator light, there's 3. So obviously 3 lit up means it's full, 2 it's at medium charge, and 1 it's time to charge it. So this is with the Juul pod. Alright, now we're gonna do the mint C100 pod like this. And then I'm going to try the iced watermelon zip pod right here. One thing you want to know is every once in a while there may be a little condensation in there. I would just Q-tip that out, wipe out your connections, and you might get a better vape that way. So let's try this again. So there you have it. So this is the stock pod that comes with it, and let's give this a spin here real quick before I get a nick buzz. The stock pod with the organic cotton is performing very well, and now I have the one with the ceramic. Really good flavor out of the stock pods that come with it. Let's try the Georgia peach real quick. It's probably saturated long enough now that give that a spin here. And I'll show you a little close up of the battery lights, see. And you can actually check the charge by just when you snap it in. Alright, so we're good to go. The flavor in the OVNS pods are great. The fact that the refillable is nice because then you can have a huge array of flavors to choose from instead of, you know, buying the pre-filled pods. I like the pre-filled pods because it's convenient, but, you know, cost effectively, you know, I would definitely buy, you know, a 30 ml bottle of juice just like this Salt Bay Georgia Peach. But yeah, that's the OVNS JCO1, and it comes in many colors. 400 milliamp hour battery, so it lasts pretty good amount of time. Should get you through the whole day easily. But I'm Johnny Clouds, keeping it cloudy. Have a good day, everyone, and keep on vaping.